Hello everyone, congratulations from our new project. The idea of this new project is that one customer given this product, he want to create some scratch inside. Before to create scratch, he used manual, something like by human, but right now he want to make a machine that gonna create some scratch inside automatic. He has given the idea to us. According to his idea, we make the design perfectly. We use PLC program to make all the electronics control, and after solving all the bugs and troubleshooting, today I completed this project successfully. It has a touchscreen display, on-off button, push button, and it has 3 axes: x-axis, z-axis, and rotary axis. It's just something like we have already created the PLC program according to requirement of the customer. Customer want to create 6 scratch, he will select the 6 scratch. If you want to 5 scratch, according to the requirement of customer, he will select some scratch inside the LCD display, and according to his requirement, the machine will create the scratch inside. It worked today perfectly. I already set up the settings. Now just click here, it's gonna start working. It's simple machine and small machine, not bigger, but it solved the problem what customer exactly wants to. It's creating scratch inside. Yes, perfect. It is right now manual, but into the next step, we will make it totally automatic. Yes, it's done. Again, yeah. Yeah, it's working perfectly. Fantastic. Thank you so much.